baby.
ठीक है, अब मेरा 60 वेट आ रहा है।
Mithu baby. Mithu baby. Mithu baby. Mithu baby. Always sleepy baby. Dirty baby, dirty. Mithu? Mithu? क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? Mithu? 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 Mia Mithu? Mithu Mia Mithu? Mithu baby? Mithu baby? Oh, what's happened? Mithu! What's happened, Mithu? Go to sleep. Nothing have to do, Mithu. You have no work to do. At least come and bring some water for me or wash my dishes. You always sleep, sleep, sleep. What we call Kash in English? Huh? Kash? Kash. I wish? I wish? नहीं. काश. काश ये मेरे काम कर सकती. I wish you go and wash my dishes, press my clothes. Make some roti for me. You always sleep, sleep, sleep. Mithu, wake up. Go and bring water for me. Mithu? Mithu, I am talking to you. Mithu, you never listen to me. You don't do any work for me. Mithu baby? Mithu baby? Meow. Meow. Meow meow. Mithu, you have so beautiful eyes. Beautiful blue eyes. Hmm? Mithu? Bye. Mithu, bye. Hmm. You are so arrogant, Mithu.